Hi everyone, let's have a pronunciation check. I have noticed that you have been mispronouncing these commonly used words. So the first one is, what would you pronounce? This is not sa, this is saw. Saw. After 99, what comes in Hindi? That is saw. So same goes with it. You need to pronounce it saw. It is the second form of see. If I give you an example, I saw an expensive bike. What I saw? I saw an expensive bike. Next one, this is not mirror. This is mirror. Like this, you need to pronounce it. A piece of glass that you look yourself in. If I give you an example, I need a mirror in my room. What I need? A mirror. The next one is we usually mispronounce it. We always say exhibition, but this is not exhibition. This is exhibition. I have written this for you. Exhibition. It is a sort of show. If I give you an example, an exhibition of bikes. What's that? An exhibition of bikes. Next one is we usually, and even I talk to my students, overseas students also make this mistake. They always say that level. This is not level, that is level. Level. A sort of standard. I want to uplift the level of my communication skills. Next one is people always say this bicycle. This is not bicycle. This is bicycle. Bicycle is a sort of vehicle with pedal, more like a bike. Thank you for watching.